Hey, hi, welcome to another video. So today I will talk about how to send large file using Google account or Gmail account. So first of all, what you need to do is open your email account, and once you go to email account, click on compose. Once you're in this page, and usually do is attach files. So here you can see the option for attach files, formatting options, insert link, insert files using drive. So we usually do is attach files. So once you click on it, so let's say you want to send this, for example, it says the size is 60.2 MB, and if you want to do it, it says large file must be shared with Google Drive. So in here it only allows you to send an item that is only 25 MB, or if it's more than 25 MB, you gotta do it another way. So I'll show you the other way now. So you have to close that and click on this arrow and go to your Google Drive account. Once you're in this Drive account, what you need to do is click on new, click on file upload, and from there click on the item that you want to transfer to your Google Drive. And in this case I'm doing this, so I'm gonna click on open. So as you can see here on the right corner, it says less than 1 minute left. So in 1 minute it will be uploaded. So another thing, guys, so the highest level, highest GB you can use the Google Drive is 15 GB. 15 to 16 GB. Anything more than that, like let's say you want to upload a video that is 50 GB or 40 GB or 30 GB, anything more than 15 or 16 GB, it's not going to work from the Google Drive. Google Drive only allows 15 to 16 GB. So since it's uploading, so let's wait a second for this. So finish upload. So once it's finished, it's right here, and what you can do is you can go back to compose and insert using Google Drive, and from there you can choose the file and insert, and choose the recipient that you want to send to and send it from here. So that way they can see your large files. So if you like that video, please give thumbs up and see you in the next video.